We're going to move. Right. We're going to move. Right. So next menu will be our tools menu. Okay. So tools menu, we have, it can enable you to create a form. By form, it means Google form, something similar to what you use for your register. So the app sheet, this is for, if you want to do some programming and so on and so forth, edit script or macros, and all those are for that. Notification rules. Notification rules are very, very important. Okay, these are situations whereby if you collaborate with people, if you collaborate with colleagues, you want some notification to be sent to you automatically if they have done certain things on the file. Okay, so that's where you can set your notification rules. So we're going to go through that. So protecting sheet, accessibility settings, and so on and so forth. So the add-ons menu is also an interesting menu. This will allow you to add in some features that are not already here. Like here, you can add a reminder. Okay, I find this very, very useful. If you have data that has got some dates in it, you could add reminder in such a way that an automatic email will be sent to you on specific times. Automatic email, you don't have to do anything. You will set it up in such a way that automatic emails will be sent to you on certain dates and certain times to, ask you to do some actions, to take some actions. This is very, very useful for managing accounts receivables, for managing clients. For example, if you give out, let's say loans to clients and that they have to pay on particular dates. So you could set up those dates and then add in this reminder add-on, and then you connect that reminder add-on to your file that has got dates, so that if any client is due for repayment on any particular day, you don't have to go and open your file, but then what you will get is an email will be sent to you to say, hey, Suleiman owes me $1,000 and is due for collection today. Ibrahim Cham owes me $2,000 and is supposed to be collected today. Or you can set it up in such a way that you could say, to remind you 1 week before the due date, or 1 day before the due date, or 1 month before the due date. Whatever you want to do with it is your choice. Okay, so whereas if you know how to use this, you can do a lot of things with it, and it can make your life a lot easier. Okay, so that is the how to call it, the add-ons. In other words, the add-ons are, features that are not currently available with these menus, but you could be able to download them and then they will appear as menus on here, and then you can make use of them. One typical example, like I said, is the reminder, and so on and so forth. Okay, so but there are 1,001 add-ons. Good. So we have not got too much time, I think about 20 minutes. So we're going to use these 20 minutes to do some practice, okay? To do some practice. Now, we're going to use the share button to share. So I'm going to use the share button to share this, my file, with some of you, okay? And we're going to monitor how you're going to, receive the file and how you're going to make entries. And I'm going to give various rights to various people, and then try to, learn how those rights work. Okay? Are we together? Are you following?
We are following.
Yes.
You're following. Good. Right. So, under the file menu, I told you about this shared button, which is, of course, displayed here. So I'm going to show you how this share button works. Of course, like I said, it is used for collaboration. Easily, if I have a file, let's say this file is my financial statement file. Naturally, the financial statement cannot be prepared by one person. Can it be prepared by one person?
No.
No, no. That's why you have various units in an accounting department, especially the ones that are big. Those working in GAMCEL and in AfriCell will testify to this. Within the finance department, you have various units. You have the payroll unit. You have accounts receivables unit. Okay? You have accounts payables unit. You have inventory unit, the people who deal with stock. Isn't it?
So, voilà.
You have people who deal in what? Investments like fixed deposits, treasury bills, and so on and so forth. Okay? So you have various units. So in order to put up financial statement together, you need various stakeholders. Let's say we have this file, which is going to represent our financial statement. Okay? We have someone who is responsible for the income. Okay? Income statement. That will be the income and expenditure. There will be someone who will be responsible for the balance sheet. Okay? The assets and the liabilities. And we can have someone else who will be responsible for, let's say, cash flow, and so on and so forth. Okay, so naturally, this file has to be shared, between various collaborators, various people who deal in financial statements. So that's what I mean by collaboration. Is that clear? Okay, so I'm going to do a demo of that. So first, I come here to the top right corner and click on share. So if I click on share, this is what is going to happen. Can you see this clearly?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So at the moment, what is here is what? Can you see this? This is my name and that's my email. And what does it say here? What does it say here?
Honor.
Honor. Honor means the system administrator, the one who controls the file altogether is the owner. Okay? So now, look at what it says here. Get link. University of the Gambia, get link for University. Anyone in this group with this link can view. Okay? So if I share it, the default will be you'll be able to view, but then you may not be able to get access to how to call it, other features like the comment or the edit. Okay, so how do I collaborate with people? How do I add people in my file? I do that by using their emails. Okay, by using their emails. So let me have, let's say, at least emails from 4 or 5 people. Okay, the first 5 people. Okay, first one.
LJ218.
Sorry?
LJ218.
LJ218. Huh?
032.
Okay, LJ218.
4032.
4032.
At UTG.
At UTG.
.edu.
.edu.
.gm.
.gambia. Yes, and the other one, YJ.
Okay, so wait, let me get this right. LJ218 4032 at utg.edu.gm. Is that correct?
It's LJ218 34032.
That's why it did not appear. Okay, let me start again. LJ
218
218
34
032.
032. That's it.
Okay, now it has appeared on its own. Okay, so it has recognize it, Lamin Jawara, automatically. Okay? And
Yes, you can take mine. EC.
Okay, EC
2181
2181
3907.
3907.
Exactly. At utg.edu.
That's Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
YJ
YJ
21713
21713
968
968
at UTG.
Yeah, that's switch for K down, sorry. Next.
Yeah.
Two more.
SC.
This thing you are giving me, please let it be people who are on at the moment, who are using their laptop at the moment, because I want you to be able to do certain things. Yeah. So if you're going to give me your name, please make sure you are using your laptop at the moment and you are online. Is that the case for Lamin, Ibrahim, and Yusufa?
Yes, I'm online.
Yes, I'm online. I'm with my laptop.
Oh, good. So next.
AD.
Huh?
AD.
AD.
DD.
D, yeah?
Yes, 21.
AD 21
84
84
3009.
3009. AD, that's Abdul Karim, yeah?
Abdullah Danso, yes.
Okay, so once I do look at it, it has guessed yours, so I just select. Oh shit, no, sorry. Okay, sorry. At utg.gm. No, something is lacking. Is it A? Is it A?
You have to add.
You did not put the edu.
Oh yeah, the edu. Okay. Oh, sorry. Making me. Sorry. Let me start all over again. AJ.
AD.
AE.
AD. Danso.
Oh, Danso. AD. Okay.
21 83 4009.
Okay, there you go. It's in fact here. It has made life. Abdullah Danso. Excellent. So one more.
AD.
A. Yes, go ahead, madam. Madam, go ahead.
Yes, AD.
AD,
217
217
22
22
441.
441.
Yes, Adama Dansu.
Excellent. I think this is fine. So let the rest follow, because if we want to do for everyone, then we'll be here till tomorrow. And we have not got much time. We have only about 11 minutes to 5. Okay, and we definitely want to stop at 5 because it's Ramadan time. Some ladies want to go and cook. Okay. So now I'm going to do a message. I'll say here or please find here a file on, I just say A3 practice. That's something ACPICE. Let's say kind regards. Right. So I'm going to send this. If I send this, go to your email. Okay, go to your email. You'll receive an email from me immediately. And once you open it, if you open it, you'll appear here. So go and open it.
I just received an email from you.
You just received an email from me. Good. Okay, so if you receive an email from me, try to open it.
Yeah, I received an email from you.
I also received an email, Mr. Fuana.
Okay, so go and open it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Yusufa has entered. Can you see?
I just opened it.
Can you see? Yusufa, you are here. Can you see? Class, can you see
Yes.
Yusufa? Yusufa,
Yes.
I'm using the same file with Yusufa. I'm using the same file with Lamin Jawara as well. Look at it. Lamin has come here. Okay, Yusufa, can you go to cell D4 and type your name? And the whole class is going to see it. Go to cell D4 and type your name. Yusufa, quick, we haven't got time. Go to cell D4, you are already online. We are using the same spreadsheet, isn't it? So this same sheet, under a sheet called sheet 3, this one here, okay, sheet 3, go to, which one did I say? D5 and type your name.
D5, right?
Yes, D5 on the sheet called sheet 3. You know, there are various sheets at the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, go to sheet 3, go to D5 and enter your name and type your name quickly.
D5, huh?
Yes. Cell D5.
Yes, I just typed my name.
You type your name. Did you enter?
Yes. You see it?
No, I've not seen it. D5.
Yes, on the balance sheet.
No, not balance sheet. I said sheet 3.
Sheet 3, okay. D5, right?
Yes. Look at it. Whilst he's there, class, look at it. Can you see? Just stop. Stop for now. Look at it. If he goes there, if he moves to that cell, you know, look at the color coding. Around that cell, it will say Yusufa. Look at it. Can you see? Yusufa Kejane. Can you see this, class?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you see around it?
Yes.
Around it, the same color, just to tell you that it's Yusufa who is typing. And look at Yusufa's color here. Yusufa's color is here. Look at it round here. Is it not red light?
It's red,
So
yeah.
if he enters anywhere, his color will appear here. The gray, why is gray? The reason why it's gray is because he's typing. So if you enter in the cell and it starts getting gray like this, that means the person is typing. Okay, so Yusufa, quickly type and enter. Why are the rest not open? It's only Yusufa and how to call it, Lamin who have opened. What about the other 3? Okay, so can you see Yusufa has entered his name? Okay, Yusufa has entered his name. Lamin Jawara, can you go to cell G5 and enter your name? G5.
Yeah.
Okay, look at that color coding as well. Look at Lamin. Lamin is blue. His name, look at the background on his, once you put the cursor over it, his name will display. And then look at the ring round is blue. So everything about Lamin on this worksheet will be blue, color coding. Each and every one here will have a different color. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you want to find the history of the file also, look at it here. If you click on it, can you see this? This tells you the history. So look at it. Can you see this on the right side?
Yes.
Okay, it always starts from the bottom. April 16th at 3:37 p.m., this file has been created by Lamin Fofana. April 16th at 4:54, the changes have been done by Lamin Fofana, by Yusufa Kejane, and by Lamin Jawara. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it's visible.
Good.
So where do we go to see the history? Sorry.
The history to go to where to go to is here in the middle here.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Can you see?
Thank
So
you.
once you click on there.
Thank
So
you.
what I'm asking is, I have shared this with 5 people. Only 2 have entered. What is wrong with the other 3? Haven't they not received my email?
Yeah, we did receive, but you didn't ask us to enter.
No, you open. If you open, you'll enter. Yeah, open. Open. We're waiting.
Mr.
So there are
Fofana,
2 ways. You can either open it on the email, or once you receive the email, you don't even have to open it. You can go to your Google Drive, and then you'll be able to see the file there immediately.
So which columns are we going to type on, Mr. Fofana?
You have not entered. Enter first. You have not entered yet. If you enter, you will appear here. You have not appeared here. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I don't understand still.
The email I sent to you, have you received it?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Have you opened it?
I did open it, yeah.
Okay, but you've not been recorded here.
Okay, open, you mean I should, okay, open in. Okay, I'm just seeing that.
Ibrahim Cham, I hope you are not from Yomi. Ibrahim.
Yeah, I did open it now.
You see? You immediately open it, look at it. Ibrahim Cham, you are on here. Of course, you open.
That's true, yeah.
Okay. So what about the other 2? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I mean the other 2. If it doesn't matter, just make sure you follow, because this is very, very important for everyone. The collaboration aspect is you are going to do this in practice. You're going to do your assignment, and you're going to share with me, and you're going to share with others as well. So you must know how to do this. Okay. So
Mr. Fofana,
yes.
Yeah, Mr. Fofana.
Mr. Fofana,
Yes, Adama.
I'm trying to get in, but I have network issues.
Oh, you have a network issue. Okay, never mind. Once your network is sorted, once your
Mr.
network
Fofana.
Yes, Danzo.
Yeah, I have opened mine, but
you have opened yours, but you are not appearing here. Then that means either you don't have a network properly, or you've not opened it properly. Because if you open it, you should appear here. I hope you open it properly.
I think, Mr. Fowler, you didn't see. You should have gone to the mail itself and see down there, open in sheet. If you open that one, you will come in.
Sorry? I open what?
I mean, I'm explaining to the man. You should go down the mail you sent.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, okay.
Open in sheet. Yeah. If you do that one, you enter in.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, don't mind. I mean, for the sake of time, because we have only about 3 minutes more. For the sake of time, I think let's just go ahead. I mean, what's important is just understand it, because not everybody can do it at the same time, right? So what I'm going to do is, at the moment, all 5 of you have got the editor right. Can you see? Can you see it, class?
Yes.
Abdullah done so. With this email, you are an editor. Adama done so. With this email, you are an editor. Okay? Now I'm going to change your status. Please take note. There are about 4 categories of users. You know, this is the same when you have your accounting package. On your accounting package, you cannot have access to everything if you are not the system administrator. If you are responsible for assets in your accounting package, you'll be given right to the asset model, the asset register. If your role in your finance department is taking care of accounts receivable, you will be given only access to, let's say, accounts receivable. Okay? So the same thing here. Different rights will be given to different people. So like I said, the first category is the owner, which is the system administrator who can do anything with the file and can control anybody. The next category is the editor. The editor can, type in anything, can analyze anything, can be able to delete anything, okay? But then the other categories like the commenter, if you are made a commenter, you cannot be able to edit, you cannot be able to delete, you cannot be able to do anything. But what you can do is only to comment. Okay, and you right click and comment. The viewer right, you cannot even comment. You can only view with your eyes. You cannot do anything. You are helpless. Okay, and then on here, as an editor or as the owner, you can always remove people. You can always change ownership like that. Okay, so that's the way it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change your role. So first, I'm going to start with, say, Ibrahim Cham. Ibrahim Cham, you are not going to be an editor anymore, but I'll make you a commenter. Then I'll say save. Now, Ibrahim, can you watch your screen? Has anything happened to your screen?
My screen? No.
Yeah. Yes, look at it properly. Something must have happened there. Did you receive any comment or did you receive anything in green somewhere around here?
Down, yeah, down.
Laptop? Are you using a laptop?
Yes, I'm using a laptop.
Okay, what did it say? Did you see any message? That's if you're online.
Hold on, I'm losing the message. Yeah, I saw some line, a green and a blue line down.
No, I'm talking about on top here, around here. There should be something in green that says commenter only on top.
Oh yeah. I saw it. Yeah, commenter only. Comment only.
There you go. Comment only.
Comment
Okay.
only. Yeah.
Okay. So now, Ibrahim, go to cell A1 and try to type your name and see whether you'll be able to do it.
A1.
Yes. Go to A1.
It's not going.
I like that. Why is it not going?
I tried to type, but the cursor is not going.
It's 17 hours.
The cursor is not going. Why?
Yeah.
Do you know why?
No, I don't.
Yeah, the reason is simple. Because you are no longer an editor.
You are right.
Okay. So Yusufa, I'll just do one for Yusufa quickly.
Yes.
Yusufa, I'll make you a viewer. Okay? You will only be a viewer. The last time you were able to type your name and you can change it, you can do anything with it. But now, observe your screen. Has anything happened to your screen? Have you received any message on your screen there?
On my screen.
Yes. Around the top?
Not anything.
You're using a laptop, yeah? Okay, welcome, Adawadanso.
Yes. I have seen
What did he say?
access to this file has changed.
Uh-huh.
Reload.
So what did he say? Your access to the file has changed?
Yes. And I have to reload.
Okay, now reload and see. And you see how powerful it is. If you are given a right to do a particular thing, if you misbehave, somebody
Yes,
can.
now I have seen something on top of this thing as view
What did
only.
he say?
View only.
There you go, view only.
The mood.
So now,
Yeah.
Yusufa, try to type. Let's say, just try to type accounting and see. Type accounting on B1 and see.
On which cell?
Cell B1.
B1 accounting.
Yes.
I cannot go.
Why?
I'm only as viewer.
I have
Even
removed
me,
your
I cannot
rank.
type.
Huh?
Even me, I cannot go. I don't know why.
Okay, you cannot go?
Yeah, I cannot type anything.
Abdullah?
Yes.
Let me check. For you, Abdullah Danso. Abdullah Danso, yeah, you know, you are still an editor. You should be able to type. You should be able to type something.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah, so be on C3, and then let's say on the C1, try to type something. You are still an editor. You can be able to do something. Can you? So on sheet 3, the sheet that says sheet 3, go to C1. I hope your internet is active. Eh? That's all? Okay, so maybe Danzo is having some issues with the internet. So right, this is the way you can change various rights. You know, to be honest, if you know how to use this, is very, 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 very useful. You can collaborate. You can do a lot of things at work. You know, at our office here, we are using this a lot. We have regional field offices who does some loan monitoring and loan collection and so on. We monitor them using this. Powerful. Okay, we monitor them using this. They send in reports using this. You know,
Indeed,
so
it's
we are with them. You know, at any point in time, if there is any collection, you can always monitor it easily. Okay, so I will just do one more thing and then we'll call it a day. One more thing. I'll show you one more thing. That's the notification rules. Notification rules. So right. Let me go and see the right. Okay, right. Okay, because I want to set it up in such a way that if anybody does anything, an email will be sent to me automatically. Okay. I'm going to go to my tools and I'll say notification. Please take note of this. This is also very, very important. It's a control measure that you can embed. So if you collaborate with people, let's say you are the boss, you are the manager, you've developed a template that your staff needs to work on. And sometimes some templates can be very, very, very sensitive. Okay, so as such, you want to monitor. But to monitor, you have to go into the file. Okay, so the notification rule says no, you don't have to be there, but you can be doing other things, you know, provided you have internet. If anybody does anything there, okay, once your notification rule is activated, an email will be sent to you to say that this and this and that has been done by XYZ. Okay, so I'm going to activate the notification rules. So I'll just click on tools, take note please, tools, then notification rules. Then you will have a menu like this. Okay, so the notification rules, the way it works is two parts. Notify me at my email when any changes are made, when any changes are made in the file, or when a user submits a form. User submits a form, meaning, for example, your register. When you are registering, I can set the notification rule in such a way that if you click on the submit button, an email will be sent to me. Each time someone clicks in a submit button, an email will be sent to me. That's what it means. So, and how do you do the notification? Notify me with what? Email daily digest. Daily digest means it's going to put all the notifications together and send in one email on a daily basis that will state all the various changes that has happened during the day. Or you can email me right away. Email me right away means once you do it now, an email will be automatically sent to you. Okay, so let me activate that quickly. So I'll say when any changes are made, Okay, and please make sure the 5 people I added, make sure you activate this. Do this as you go along, okay? So that you'll be able to, if I make any changes or if anyone makes changes, an email will be sent to you. So activate it on your own, no, not on your own file, but on this file that I shared with you, the one that says this LF. Do you understand me? So for the 5 of you who have been added here, listen to me, and the 5 of you can go back and add anyone. So please, as your homework, the 5 of you, each of you should take, we have about 40 in class, each of you should take about 8 and add them in this file so that all of us can be added. So your homework for those of you who are added here is you have to go and add other people. How you add them is by following the same procedure. I hope I'm clear.
Yes, we are going to.
Good.
Yes.
So now follow me, everybody, but especially those that have been added here so that we can practicalize the notification rule thing. So click on tools.
So sorry, Fofana.
Yes, sir.
What about me? You just a view. I can still add.
Yes, you can still, but I'll remove you from being a viewer. I'll go and take all of you back to editor so that, because if you are only a viewer, you'll not be able to do this. So just editor. So all of you are back to editor role, yeah? Is that okay? So when you see your screen is to change to editor now. Okay. So now, so follow me, please. Follow me. Same file. So where you are at the moment, so do the same thing as I do. Okay? Do the same thing as I. Not your own file, but this file that I've shared with you, the one that ends with LF. So follow me. So you go and click tools. Have you? Let's do this fast because it's 5 o'clock already. We have to stop.
Yes, yes.
Tools, and then click on notification rules.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, click on if any changes is made. The first one, and then click on notify me with email right away. That's the second one. So click on the first one and then the second one.
On the second one, okay.
Then you click on save. After clicking on save, then you say done. Okay, so if you had activated that, can you check whether you received any email from me? Those of you who have activated it, can you check your inbox whether you received any email from me?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet, yeah.
Okay, try to reload your email and see. You know how to reload your email? So you come here and you right click and say reload. Okay, let some of you try to type something.
I have just
I received mine.
I got an email.
You got an email? Uh-huh.
Yes.
I received mine.
Good. Okay, what does the email say?
So,
Select
select all.
Google document.
Huh?
So 5 minutes.
David Fofana made changes from 4 on the 16th. It is giving me the date.
Good. So it says I made changes. So if you click, oh, who is talking? So if you open the file and you go to the sheet, so click open the file, you go to the sheet 3, you'll see what I type, it will be colored.
Sorry, Mr. Fulan, how can I reload the email, please?
To reload the email, click on your email and then you go on top. You go on top and right click and say reload.
Yes, it shows me. It is colored.
It's colored.
Hello, it's colored. Yes.
It's colored, yeah?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, it is colored green.
It's
Light
colored
green,
green.
something like that. Yes.
Very good, very good, very good. Light green. Excellent. Okay, so you also try to type something. You know, all of you try to type something, and then I will see whether I will receive any email from you. Quickly, quickly, let it be anything, quickly. On this file, not on your own file, but on this file. But the only time it will work is after you have activated your notification rule.
Yes.
Okay, if you have activated your notification rule, then it will work. Has anyone done it?
Yes, I try to write something.
Okay. Just something small, quickly.
Yes, there.
I'm waiting.
I've sent it to Islamic Dawara.
Did you type anything on the file? This file that we have here?
The one you just sent to us, where you made changes or where?
No, no, no. The one that you are already in, like here, the one you are on here, the one you are already collaborated, the one that you are sharing with me. Okay, so that's where you need to type. It doesn't have to be this sheet. You can open any sheet and type it there. It doesn't have to be sheet 3. You can enter it even in sheet 4, or you can even create your own sheet.
Yeah.
It will only work for people that I have shared with, the 5 people. For now.
So you don't receive any emails from me?
Did I share the file with you?
Yes, Lamin Jawara.
Lamin Jawara, yes, I received one. Let me see. Yes.
Lamin Jawara, right?
Yes. So let me project it. So please, the others, try to do it. Try to do it quickly. Then I'll show you how it works.
Have you seen it? I have just typed something.
You've just typed something. Okay. Let me just do that. 1 second. 1 second. I just project that. Right.
I received email from Adam Adanzo.
Okay, received from Ananas. Okay, good. So the email looks like this. The email, can you see what I've just projected? The email will always come from Google Docs. Okay, it will say the file name, MA3 February Practicals LF was edited recently. You just double click. Once you double click, you see, so it will put everything in one file. So it was edited by Aramadanso, it was edited by Yusufa Kejane, it was edited by Lamin Kejawara. Okay, so if you click the file, you open it, look at it. So it will show you, it will be color coded, you know, where the changes have happened, so that you can be able to know immediately who has changed what on my file. This is a very, very good security, okay, at office level. Okay, so I think this is where we're going to end. You know, to be honest, as we go along, you will understand more. So for all of you, please try to review, you know, try to go over what we have done today as your homework. I'll try to upload the videos, you know, after the class on YouTube, okay? Then if you want to watch them again, you can always go back and watch them, right? And try to practice the spreadsheet that we have done, right? So for the 5 people that have already added as editors, please make sure you add at least 8 people in class, so that everyone, make sure class, everyone must be added to this file, okay? So we must collaborate, the whole class must collaborate on this file. And this is a file called MA3 February 21 Practicals LF. So everybody must be added to this file.
I think we should first have their email to be able to add them.
Yes, exactly. So they'll have to, it's their responsibility to give their emails to you.
Yes, so maybe they can send their email through WhatsApp, then we'll take it from
exactly.
there.
They can send it through the forum, and so Abdullah Danso is an editor, Adam Danso is an editor, Ibrahim Acham is an editor, Lamin Jawar is an editor, and Yusufa is also an editor. So all of you should be able to add your other mates. Okay, so it is the responsibility of the other mates who have not been added yet to send in their emails to these people or to the group so that they can be able to, so that they can be added to this file, okay, for practice purposes. Is that clear, everyone?
So, sir, is this going to be automatically saved in my Google Drive because I'm using the Office PC? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, it's going to be automatically saved on your Google Drive, and anywhere you are, anywhere you log onto, you'll find it there. Wallahi.
Okay.
If you are using your Office PC, if you go home, please try and open it on your how to call it, on your phone. You will still find it there. Wallahi, nothing will be wrong to it.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. So I think this is where we're going to draw the curtain. I hope you had good time in the class. I hope you learned some new stuff.
Yeah, indeed, we learned some new stuff.
Did no.
It's really amazing.
Good. Okay. So definitely, let's cooperate. So before the end of the semester, inshallah, we're going to learn some new things, and we try to practice it as much as possible. All right. So on that note, thank you so much for coming, and sorry for taking your time. I know it's Ramadan time, but I'm surprised. The class is so active. I was thinking that by now, the class would have been so boring. I don't know why it was so active, to be honest, up to the last minute. So I thank you for that. Maybe you were enjoying what you're seeing and stuff. So but anyway, thank you so much, and have a good weekend of what is left of it. We'll see you next week, inshallah. But make sure, please,
Thank you, Mr.
make sure you how to call it, those that have got access, make sure you give access to the others as well. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Your class was very lovely today.
Okay. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Good. Thanks. Okay. Have a good one.